good day, children. How are things going on? I think all are very excited about the online class. I am too ecstatic to meet you soon. Now, before we start today's class, I just want to ask a very simple question. How did you all spend your lockdown period? Must have played some indoor games, right? Okay. How sad you couldn't play any outdoor games as you were not permitted to go out. Did you play any cricket at home? No, because your parents would have restricted you by playing if you break any things or window panes or TV. So today, children, I am going to teach you how to make a ball using a paper. So before we start, children, go run and get a A4 size paper and a pencil and a notebook. Yes, I hope you have come. Now let us start. Now, dear children, look at this paper. Tell me, what is the shape of this paper? Yes, it's a rectangle because we have two shorter sides and two longer sides. That is length and breadth. The opposite sides are equal. Very good. Now, you have to fold the paper in this manner. Yes, and turn it yes. Now you get the extra paper. Just tear it off. If you can't do it or if you're unable to do it, take the help of your parents or you can either use a pair of scissors. Okay. Now, dear children, now tell me, what is the shape of this paper? Yes, you have learnt it last year. It's a square. That means all the four sides are equal. Now, we will fold the paper diagonally. Yes. Now, what is the shape of this figure, children? Yes, you guessed it right. It is a triangle. Triangle means three sides. Okay. Now, we will fold the paper diagonally on the other side. Yes, do it very slowly, children. Yes. Now, again you're getting a triangle. Now we will open it up. Can you see the cross? Yes, you get a midpoint. That is a meeting point of both the lines. This is called midpoint. Now we will fold it into a half. Yes. Now again you're getting a rectangle. Now children, you have to note down which are the figures you're coming across while making the ball. That is a rectangle, triangle. So now open it up, children. Now what you have to do is, now fold this inside. You get both the sides folded inside because where we have made a half, just fold it inside so that you will get a triangle. Right? Now see, children, we have a triangle, two triangles, one behind and one in front. Now we get two triangles here. What you have to do is, now the opening one side, you bring it in front, fold it in this manner where you get another triangle. Now can you see this triangle, children? Yes. Now again fold it from the other side. Yes. Now can you see, children? Another triangle. So we have altogether here two triangles. Now turn this. Again fold it in the similar manner to the midpoint. Yes. So again we are having a triangle. Now again fold the paper. Again we are getting one more triangle. But if you keep the paper in this manner, you'll get a square. But if you keep it cross, you're getting two triangles and here you're getting two triangles. Now what you have to do, children, is take one side, one corner and fold it in the middle. Again, take this side and again fold it. So again you're getting, what is the shape of this figure, children? It's again a triangle. Now again turn it, again fold it. Again from this side you're folding it. So you're getting a triangle again. So again, how many triangles did we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 triangles. Now keep the paper in this manner. So you're getting this opening flap like thing on both the sides. So what you have to do is this flap again fold it into a triangle. Again fold it into a triangle and then insert this small triangle into the big triangle like a pocket. It goes inside. Yes. Again take this, fold it in, insert it into the big triangle like it becomes a pocket. Yes. Now turn the other side and do it in the similar manner. Again we get a triangle here. Can you see the triangle, children? Yes. Now again fold it the other side. Now insert this smaller triangle into the bigger triangle. Yes. Again fold it, open up and fold it inside the big triangle. Yes. Now we have done it. Now you can see, children, the one end is closed, the other end is open. Now just open it up like that and blow into so you got a ball. Yes, children, can you see it? Yes. So it's a ball which we can play it either with a tennis bat or your any other bat. Yes. Now, children, this is not the task. Now you have an assessment to be done. Now look here, children. Can you see? Yes. How many of these figures did you come across while making a ball? That is rectangle, square and a triangle. Now, another task you have is you have to open up the ball which you have made very slowly, because opening up becomes very easy. Just open up and dear children, now see, you can see a pattern. Now draw the lines with the help of a scale. Okay, you can see the lines and you are going to get the pattern of the ball in this manner. Can you see? Yes, there are different types of line. Now dear children, you are going to make a ball and do such a pattern and show it to me in the next class when we meet, because we are going to learn more different types of lines. Till then, thank you very much.